The most important thing which you should learn from this Redbubble account banning scenario is that most of the people who are working on Redbubble are only creating designs and they are only uploading it to one platform, which is Redbubble. But the thing is that in the beginning of my videos or in the beginning of this print on demand series, I have told that you should be creating designs and then uploading those designs to many different platforms. Okay, so this is something which is very important, as well as other YouTubers who are making videos regarding Redbubble or print on demand have also told all the people that they should be creating designs for many different platforms. Now this is something which is very important, and this comes into play when you are uploading designs to this different platforms. At that time, if a platform gets banned or there is any problem with the platform, at that time you don't lose your money. Okay, so this is something which is very common and very good, which you can do is that if you are till today not at all diversifying your Redbubble designs, so from today whatever designs you are having, or even if your account has got banned, just don't lose your courage. There are a lot of the platforms you should be focusing on that also, and as well as this may be a small glitch on Redbubble and that your accounts may come back. Okay, so just have a positive note, think positively and just be ready. Okay, as well as I have linked a video of Shimi Morris in the description of the video. He has very detailedly discussed about all this Redbubble's account banning scenario, so you can also check that out, as well as stay motivated and stay positive. Don't get panicked. This may happen in many of the platforms, even with YouTube this happens, so don't worry about that, it will be fixed. But those who have lost your accounts, just don't get discouraged. There are many other platforms which are there for you and they will welcome you, as well as you just have to keep on working. Okay, we'll see you in the next video.